Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to capitalize the first letter of each word in Microsoft Word. So let's start it. At first, open your Word document file. Then in this video, I will show that this capitalize the first word. Now going to the select from the any text option. Now going to the home menu option. Now click on the sense case option. Now click for the capitalize is word. That's it. Then again another word, another text from the select. Now going to the sense case option. Now click for the capitalize for the word. That's it. Then again another text is the capitalize the first word is the same process. That's it. Then you show the capitalize the first word, first letter of each word in Microsoft Word. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.